How long does a parent have to submit medical costs to the other parent for reimbursement? I'm Tulsa attorney James Worth, and this is part of a series that we're doing related to Oklahoma child support, the Oklahoma child support guidelines. And the question is, how long do you have to submit a medical expense to the other parent in order to get reimbursement on that? So first off, generally the court's going to order that health insurance be provided for the minor child. Or if sooner care is involved, it could be cash medical set aside. In any case, generally there's something to cover part of those expenses. But what about expenses that are not covered, that are reasonable and necessary medical expenses not covered by health insurance, or it goes beyond what is covered by health insurance, or if there's no health insurance involved? Well, each party is still responsible for their pro rata share of that cost based on the amount that they make. That compared to the amount that the other parent makes, that determines the percentage share that they're responsible. So whoever takes that child into the doctor and obtains that medical service and ultimately gets that bill, how long do they have to provide that to the other side for reimbursement to get that share paid? And that is statutory. It's provided by Oklahoma statute. You can find it in the Oklahoma law books. It is Title 43, Section 118F, and then it is subsection I. And what it provides is that the parent who incurs the expense shall provide the other parent with proof of the expense within 45 days of receiving the explanation of benefits from the insurance provider or other proof of the expense if the expense is not covered by insurance. So that parent that obtains that medical treatment has 45 days to provide proof of that to the other side and request reimbursement. Then the other parent has 45 days from that point to provide reimbursement for that or to get that paid. So it's a 45-45 rule. But the answer question in this video is, how long does the parent who received the treatment for the child have to get the information to the other parent and request reimbursement? It's 45 days. If it's not done within 45 days, then they could be denied that reimbursement. That is part of another subsection, that's subsection J. Let me read what it provides. In addition to any other sanction ordered by the court, a parent incurring uninsured dependent health expenses or increased insurance premiums may be denied the right to receive credit or reimbursement for the expense or increased premium if that parent fails to comply with subsections H and I, meaning that they fail to provide the timely notice here ordered to be 45 days or notice within 45 days to the other parent. So if you've got questions about health insurance for children, custody cases, reimbursement, child support, any of that related to Oklahoma law, you're going to want to talk to an attorney about your specific circumstances so you can get actionable legal advice. To talk to somebody at my office, you can get it scheduled online by going to makelawEasy.com.